guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In case you didn't know, I'm Casey, and sorry haven't been posting. I've been so busy. I just got my first real job, so I've been doing that all the time, and I've just been too tired and haven't had time to do anything, so I'm trying to get back on the grind of things. So if you want to keep up with that, hit the subscribe button and I'll let you know what I'm doing today. So I'm going to one of my best friend Mackenzie's houses. She was the girl in my first video. We are kind of just gonna go on a limb and figure out what we're gonna do when we get there. I did get a new cookbook, so cooking may be an option. Actually, highly probable because we both love cooking. So we'll see where that goes. But I'm really excited to hang out with her. I haven't done anything with friends in like 2 weeks. So I've been very bored and I'm excited. So let's head there. Enjoy. Hi.
Hi.
Have issues getting the door open there?
Yes. Always. You knock over a buck.
I always knock over a buck. Is that good?
Fail. Epic fail. Oh, good. Data or data? Is it route or root? Is it caramel or caramel? Is it either or either? Is it red or read, or is it let or lead? Maybe it's Maybelline. I hate how any English speakers know exactly what's happening. If you don't know English, this must suck. It's like it's the same freaking word!
Not that funny.
It is. It is, because I have a friend who speaks Spanish as her, like,
First language.
Well, it's kind of like her first. She learned Spanish and English at the same time.
So she's bilingual.
Yeah. Like,
Harry's.
the red thing is called Harry? Oi, mate, that red thing is a member of the royal family.
Get it? Do you get it?
Gingers, man.
Let's go to Target.
Yes.
No.
Let's go.
Go.
Oh.
We going to Target to find something to do because we're boring. Yeah. So I see y'all at Target. Guys, we are at Target trying to figure out something to do. So what do? We go to the toys. Because we're adults and we still like toys.
We do.
Let's go find some toys or stuff we like to meet.
And here we have Casey playing with a little kid's toy that makes you smarter. Go, Casey, go. Go, Casey, go. Go, Casey, go. Someone found the hula hoop.
I'm a hula hoop master.
Don't drop that dun da da. Hey, don't drop that dun da da. Don't drop the dun da da. Don't drop the dun da da. Don't. Ready? 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 Oh, miss, 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 miss. And she still hasn't dropped it, ladies and gentlemen. Boop.
Not fair. No. Yeah, I really think I fit this one.
So pretty. It's made for you. Get it, Casey.
Ooh, cheese balls.
There she goes. She loves her cheese balls. Ooh. And she's hugging him now. Casey, Casey, come back with us. Casey, Casey. Oh, that girl. That's right, you better put that away. And she's gone again. What you got there, Casey?
Shaving cream.
Shaving cream? What else are you getting?
Contact solution.
Why is that? What are we making?
We're making slime.
Yes!
Yes.
Ooh, those are pretty.
One box of contact solution.
I don't know. Why can't you?
I don't know. I used to
You
be
should
able
try.
to.
You should
I wear
try.
contacts.
Then you should have brought yours with you.
I didn't think about it. Now I have to buy it. Lubricant eye drops. Okay. Oh, there they are. I'm dumb.
There we go. Stop looking in the value section,
But I'm still.
and you'll find it.
You have baking soda, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Ooh, it's pink.
Oh, we gotta get glue.
Glue. Off to the glue. Charge.
Glue. We're headed to glue. Glue.
And there she's at it again.
We had to go to another store because Target was out of glue. But we got it now, so we got. Hey guys, what is up? Hi! We're back and we're about to make slime! A lot of slime. I don't need it. So, what we're gonna do, we're gonna add glue to a bowl.
All the glue?
All the glue. All 12 ounces. Okay, next we're gonna add baking soda.
How much?
Next, you just, technically it's 2 tablespoons of contact solution that you can just kind of squirt some in there. Ooh, it's getting all slimy. like not a slime texture.
Look at that. I look like I had a chewing gum accident.
Fine.
Mine's all done. Ooh.
There you go. This. It's purple. Purple's my favorite color.
I
Guys,
should make a point this time.
look at this. It's so slimy. Wow. We finished. Oops. We finished our slime. Slime. It is seriously so much fun. Now I know why it's like a craze and everybody does
Mine's
it.
fluffy.
Mine's sparkly.
Soft and fluffy. It smells like shaving cream.
It's awesome. Now I know why everybody does it.
You just touched your slime to mine. What happens when you mix them?
Fixating. It'd be a really ugly color. It's so fun. We're gonna end up playing with this literally all night and probably all tomorrow and probably all the rest of our lives till it dries out.
That's not gonna be the rest of our lives. We should pull off a little. We should see.
Okay, that's a lot, not a little.
Sorry. Okay.
Little. It's honestly just probably gonna look sparkly. Gonna make yours look sparkly. Ew, that is like brown.
No, it's not. It's more like a pinky purple.
I don't like
It changed the texture.
that. Yeah, I'm sure.
Feel
Oh, that's weird. I don't like that.
it.
Look what color it made it. That focuses on it. What color
Pull it back a little more. Yeah. Oh well.
You can see that. Oops. I got slime on the table. I got it on. Here. You want to put that in yours? You won't see it in yours. You'll see it in mine.
It'll change the texture.
Of your whole thing? No, it won't.
Mine absorbed it and it's like, oh yes. This one's a little bit more foamy, stretchy, so like this texture gets a little bit taffy-like.
This one? It's just normal slimy texture.
Gooey.
It's just gooey. It's so fun.
So I go like this and make it airy inside and then pull it apart.
It pops.
And gets that texture. Like ripped skin. Ow. Yep.
Okay guys, so today was so much fun.
Yes.
We've literally been playing with this slime for over 2 hours now. It's
She's
so
not
much
even kidding.
fun. No, it's literally so much fun.
We've made fart noises with it. And
See?
lots of jokes. And
See?
lots of fun. She laughs every time. And I discovered like you shove a lot down in your hand like this. And then you place them around the edge. No, it's not working. Okay, here we go. Oh, fail!
It usually blows a really big bubble. So if you liked my video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button. And
If you want to see me and more of them, comment.
comment ideas too. And just if you want to keep seeing what I'm up to, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys hopefully
Later.
next week. Bye.
Bye.